Short sale information. Short sale agent discusses options to stay in your home. Looking for short sale information? You've come to the right place. Mike Wrigley, certified default advocate, distressed property expert, and your short sale specialist here. Thanks for joining us. Today, let's talk about options to stay in your home. Now, this week, we're going to bring you a series detailing your options to avoid foreclosure and stay in your home, courtesy of the Fannie Mae help website, KnowYourOptions.com. Now, Fannie Mae suggests that if you are facing financial difficulties, whether they are short or long term, start exploring your options today. Even if you haven't missed a mortgage payment, but are worried you might fall behind soon, now's the time to take action. You may be eligible to refinance or modify your mortgage loan, lowering your payment and making it more affordable. Or, if you've missed payments and find yourself buried under late fees and past due amounts, you may qualify for a temporary or permanent solution to get your finances back on track and avoid foreclosure. Now, here's an overview of possible options to help you stay in your home and avoid foreclosure. Number 1, refinance. Number 2, a repayment plan. Number 3, forbearance. Number 4, modification. And number 5 is the Fannie Mae Deed for Lease program. Now, over the next few sessions, we're going to discuss each option at length. So, is a short sale right for you? Give me a call, let's talk about it. To get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free, no obligation consultation. The report is free, or give me a call. Let's talk about what's on your mind. Thanks. We'll look forward to hearing from you.